In today's video, I'd like to give an introduction to my train room, which includes my layout, my workshop, my office, and where I shoot all my videos. Welcome to Humanity Junction, where the city intersects with humans. My train room is approximately 6 feet wide by 5 feet deep. Well, it's not really a train room, it's more of an area in our apartment. So where is my train room? Behind me, you can see our couch, our dining room table, and on the other side, there's a room divider. It's behind this room divider where we'll find my train area. My model train area is based around my sit-stand desk. When not in use, I raise the desk up so that I can fit all of the storage underneath the desk. When I want to work on the trains or record a video, I remove everything from under the desk and then lower the desk to sitting height. With everything set up, the train area is approximately 6 feet wide by 5 feet deep. When I converted my office into my train area, I didn't really move everything around. So in today's video, I'm going to adjust the computer so that I have a better working space to record videos and work on the trains. For example, when I was using this as my office, it made a lot of sense to have this monitor behind me in portrait orientation. But now that I'm using it mostly for recording, it makes much more sense to make it landscape. So for this episode, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this computer over here and we're going to move it into the corner. This computer is going to move over to this corner. This monitor is going to move into the center, and this monitor is going to become horizontal. Unfortunately, to do this, it means I've got to take everything apart. So let's get started moving everything around and see what I can come up with. Now I have all the big items in place where I want them. First, I'll explain the general setup. This is my main computer and I've got 2 additional monitors hooked up to it. This is the computer that I use for video editing and for most of my computer work. The middle monitor will be used for my confidence monitor for shooting videos and if I do decide to live stream. The computer on my left is my control computer. This is the computer that's hooked up to my DCC control system. I have 2 main cameras set up. There's a GoPro Hero 5 as my overhead shot, and then I have an RX 100 here as my side shot. I also have a webcam installed over my confidence monitor that I'll use to capture my face. My current audio setup is a shotgun microphone that I'll be connecting to this Zoom H4n. For lighting, I have 2 softboxes with 25-watt LED lamps in them. So for the next step, I'm climbing underneath the desk and I'm going to remove all of the existing wiring. I'm really happy with the way everything turned out. Moving the computers to the ends really opened up the space in the center. I really look forward to what I can create in this space. Thank you for watching. Please leave any comments or questions below, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe and select the bell icon to receive notifications. Thanks again, and have a great day.